friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be cooking frozen sausage patties in the air fryer. So these sausage patties, it says they're fully cooked, but they're just frozen. So we're making them in the air fryer straight from frozen. No need to defrost. So let's take out the air fryer basket, and I'm going to put frozen sausage patties in the air fryer basket. So now I'm going to put the air fryer basket in the air fryer, and I will set the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and I will set the time to 8 minutes. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look at the sausage patties. Look at that, they look amazing, so nicely browned, perfectly cooked. Let me take them out of the air fryer. Perfect. See how easy it was? Air fryer is perfect for cooking frozen sausage patties. I'm so excited about trying them. Let's try it. So they're perfectly soft and juicy, fully cooked. Let's try it. Amazing, so juicy, delicious sausage patty. You'll love it. For a free printable recipe and other easy air fryer recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!